Spikes in energy amidst this crackdown in Venezuela. This might have something to do with it as well, the snow, or the cold, I should say, more to the point. To Prosper Trading Academy CEO Scott Bauer. Scott, on the whole Venezuela thing mystifies me to this respect, that we thought they had already been alienated in the global markets for a lot of their stuff, but not entirely, right? So what kind of a disruption are you looking at?
You know, there is somewhat of a disruption to some of the refiners down in the Texas area, Neil. But, you know, at this point right now, I'm confused as well, as you just said. And I think this is really an emotional and psychological trade in the oil space, why we're seeing this rally today, more so than it is really what the effect, at least in the short run, is going to be of cutting back all of the exports from Venezuela.
So if you had to look at what could affect prices, we're told, you know, you compete with a global slowdown, and then you've got more American energy production. You've got, you know, this wicked cold weather, and that will have probably more direct impact on natural gas prices for the time being. But play that all out for me.
So, you know, the market has really moved basically on the supply and demand issue, and we don't know, is it the lack of demand or the oversupply? It's been this vicious circle for the last 3 months, 6 months or so. Right now, we definitely have a glut. We're going to get some numbers coming out later today and tomorrow from API and EIA looking at what inventory builds might be, but we absolutely have a glut as the U.S. keeps producing more and more and is approaching that 12 million barrel a day number. Now, it's that combined with how bad is the global slowdown? Is it temporary? What's going on in China? So it really is this vicious circle. And I think for the near term, Neil, I think even though we have a pretty good rally today in the oil space, I do think there's going to be pressure. I do think we're going to hit 50 sooner rather than later. I really think that the headwinds are really going to take over any sort of the risk that we're seeing coming out of Venezuela right now.
Now, normally markets trade on fear of just instability, right? It doesn't have to have the material effect on the supply, but just the fear that it could. So if you were looking at what's happening in Venezuela now, and then, you know, you have a country where two guys are claiming right to be the president, and that could, you know, drag on a while, then what?
There's no question. The longer this drags on, really what's going to happen, though, is the more complacent the market is going to be. It's really what we've seen in the equity space as well. If you go back to the first major sell-off we saw last February when we saw the VIX go over 50, with every subsequent sell-off, you know, things got a little tamer. We didn't see quite the volatility. I expect the same thing to happen in the oil space now.
All right, we'll watch it very, very closely. Scott, thanks for taking the time.
Thank you, Neil.